what's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back. Boo, let's go ahead and get it popping. So today is a different type of video. Your girl ain't doing a wig review. Your girl ain't doing a makeup tutorial. And since we're kind of stuck in the house right now, and a lot of us do have things that we want to do. A lot of people have been starting businesses and all of that kind of stuff. Now, if you're into makeup like I am, you might want to become a makeup artist. You want to get certified. You can still do that online. So the Online Makeup Academy is a school based out of New York City, and they're actually offering online classes and courses to become a certified makeup artist, which I think is pretty dope because number one, you don't lose the experience that you would get like in a physical class. You still get the same experience online because you have teachers and instructors and tutors who are actually going to be talking to you, giving you one-on-ones, responding to you, and all of that good stuff. So I think it's really dope. So let me go ahead and give you the tea. I started off on YouTube doing creative makeup. I'm talking creative, like when I would turn myself into an ice cream, but I actually struggle with doing realistic makeup. But I say that to say, if you are someone who does like makeup on social media, YouTube, Instagram is totally different from the professional makeup artistry world because those looks, think about it, if you're a makeup artist, the looks that we do are not really something that a client would necessarily want. Not saying they won't, but most cases they won't. Like if I want to do my mom's makeup, she sees mine, she's like, girl, I'm not wearing that. It's too crazy, it's too bold. So I do like that you kind of get taught on doing the things that you would typically see on the runway, that you would typically have clients ask for. So I'm really in tune for this. So I'm enrolled in the Makeup Master Artist program, and this includes two of the courses, which is the Makeup Essential and the Makeup Advanced courses, and those together makes up the Makeup Master Artist program. You can pay two ways. You can pay the full, which is a different amount. It's the whole amount. You do get lifetime access and you do get a makeup kit included. Or you can pay monthly, where it's less, of course, if you're paying on a monthly basis, but you do not get a makeup kit included with that. And it does not give you lifetime access. So I just wanted to throw that out there. Those are the two options if you're interested in this program, but they actually do have some other courses, which is the Special FX course and the Pro Hairstyling course. So you got some options. When you dig down into the courses, me specifically, since I'm in the master, the advanced courses, they have some stuff in there that I'm kind of liking. A little bit of the creative makeup, the fashion makeup, photo shoots. Like it gets kind of fun. You get to express yourself a little more. The essentials, basically the basics. And like I said, I thought, you know, I had it together, but even going into the essentials for me, I felt like it was super helpful because it basically breaks it down and teaches you how to deal with different skin tones. The only skin tone I know how to deal with is myself and my own skin type. But you basically get to, you know, learn how to deal with all different kind of skin tones and all of that stuff. We'll get into that a little bit later. They do have a subscription program for the master course, which allows you to complete the courses at your own speed. You also get post-graduation help if you still want it, no problem. You can cancel whenever you feel like you're good and you don't need it anymore. I do want to mention this because I thought it was really cool. When I did first get enrolled in the program, I did get a specialized video from my tutor Alana, and it was specialized because she said my name. Hey Sandra, welcome, I'm your tutor. And I thought that was really, really cool. It was a nice, open, warm welcome to the program just to get you started. Like, okay, this is gonna be fun, it's gonna be cool. We actually have real people behind there that's actually gonna be there helping us. So I thought that was pretty dope. I just wanted to throw it out there because I did like that. It was cute. When you go into like your courses, it's like a load of things there. You have modules, you have different videos, all kinds of stuff. So you do get like these very detailed demonstration videos telling you, showing you how to like complete steps and how to complete a technique. For instance, like how to do a halo eye. Like it's gonna break it down for you step by step. She's showing you, telling you, and it's just like very super detailed. So I mean, there's no way that you won't be able to follow through with it. So I think that is pretty cool. And like I said before, there are real people behind it. So you do get one-on-one help if you need one-on-one help, which I think is pretty dope. And because they're New York City professionals, you know, New York City is one of the fashion world. Listen, so you know you're gonna get the real help that you need. So it's not like a I'm just going to go on and watch videos. It's not like YouTube where you're just watching videos and you just go on about your business. Like, you're actually going to get assignments and stuff like that. When you do get your assignments, they actually do get seen. So your tutor, your instructor, whoever it is, they will actually see the work that you're doing, whether you're doing it on yourself or someone else, and they will give you feedback and let you know, like, yay or nay. So you can know what you need to do to, you know, help you further your development and whatever you're lacking in. Or if you're good to go, they'll let you know that. So I think that's really cool. It's not literally like you're not just watching videos and just going on about your business. People are going to watch your progress so you can actually be in tune. I tell you, it's online, but you're still getting an experience as if you were in person. One thing that I do like is that they did include like the station setups with the post-COVID sanitation process and all of that stuff. So that way you can know how to prepare and what you need to do, the hygiene and all of that stuff that needs to be done and well kept for COVID. And I'm talking about down to how you need to present yourself, how you need to present your station, what measures you need to take to make sure nothing is spreading as far as germs and all of that. So that is really, really cool, really important. And I think everybody needs to know that, especially if you're going to be doing people's makeup. I'm just going to say this. It's like a lot of information that I can give you because I think that the course that I have, on average, it could take 6 to 12 weeks to complete. But like I said, you know, you go on, you do it when you do what you can, when you can. But it's a lot of information, so I can't really give you everything at once. But what I will say is, if you have ever been thinking about becoming a makeup artist, if you're thinking about it, if you have questions, if you think that your questions are going to go unanswered, literally, I'm telling you, when you go on there, it's so much, like, they go through everything to the point that you won't even have to ask your question anymore because it's going to get answered in one of the modules. All right, so this course covers everything from all skin tones, from fair skin to brown skin to mature skin, young chin. I said chin. You guys know what I mean. Different face shapes, different skin types, down to telling you your pricing and how you should price your services, down to kind of getting yourself ready as a business person as far as guidelines, business branding, marketing, everything you basically need to know to jumpstart a career as becoming a freelance makeup artist. Like, they got you. I know because it's online, you might still have questions like, well, will I get certified, or is it just like teaching me how to do stuff? No, you will get certified as long as you complete your courses. And like I said, your work will be checked. You don't just watch your videos and be like, oh, I'm done the videos, let me get my certification. It doesn't work like that. Like, you actually have instructors and people with you on your journey to the end. So you will have to, it's like a regular school. If you was in person, you have to pass. But you will get certified, you will graduate, and you will become a certified makeup artist if you complete your courses and get all of that stuff done. So that's my little spill on the Online Makeup Academy. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Shout out to Online Academy for reaching out to me because I had no idea about it. And like I said, I have learned some things. And listen, your girl thought I was doing some stuff, but I really legit learned some stuff on there that I didn't learn before. And it's crazy because I have been talking to my husband for a while when I used to tell him, like, I want to become a makeup artist, but I'm a little bit nervous. My biggest thing was, what do I need in my kit? What should my setup be like? And how do I sanitize the makeup to make it clean? That was literally my biggest thing, especially because I only practice doing makeup on myself. And so I didn't really have to, like, you know, do all these extra measures. It's just me and my makeup. But I literally used to ask that question all the time. And that's kind of what held me back from becoming a makeup artist, because I just didn't want to show up unprofessional. And they're like, this is not what happened last time when we had that other makeup artist. So I'm telling you, if you have questions, you need to check out Online Makeup Academy if you're looking to become a makeup artist. And you could do it from home, comfort in your own home, in your pajamas. You know how we do in your pajamas. You know how we YouTubers do. We dressed up here and down there. We not dressed, but I'm always dressed though, because sometimes I have to get up. You guys see me, but that's a whole nother story. But I'm going to wrap this video on up. I will put the information to the courses that I have in the description box below. I will put the links and all of that information that you need to know. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think about the Online Makeup Academy. Have you heard heard of it? Have you actually participated? Did you enroll in it before? Like, let me know, y'all. Comment in the comment section down below. Let's have a conversation. You know I talk back. If you're interested in the colored contacts I'm wearing today, it is Daisley Chocolate from TTDI. Promo code is CARRIEM. Make sure you use it to save your little coin. And I also did a review on this beautiful headband wig from MUA Wigs. All of the information will be in the description box below. I'll see you guys later. Until next time, let's get certified. Mwah.